So to start this project, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a spray bottle with some water, some cling wrap, and some Loctite foam in a can. Now the form that you see here, you can also get one of the wig form heads from Hobby Lobby, and that's just fine. It'll work just as well, and they only run about $5 or $6. So the first thing you want to do is wrap your form head with the cling wrap. And you want to just kind of press this in all the way around. And then what you're going to do is mist it with your water. Once you've done that, put on a layer of foam and spray that with water and just kind of let it set. Now if you look here, you can see how I kind of pushed the foam in once I was able to work it with my hands. If you look at Venom, his eyes are pretty big and he has a wide mouth. And also, you want to make sure that when you press your foam that your chin kind of juts out. This will just help with the shape. So once you spray it with water, I would wait about 5 minutes and then you can really work with your foam and shape it. Let that dry for about 5 to 10 minutes and then you can take it off of your wig form head. And once you've done that, you're going to get a piece of foam from Hobby Lobby. These sheets are pretty cheap, about $1.49 each. You'll cut it to shape and just glue it in. Now the teeth are pretty easy. Just use some hot glue and spread it out on a non-stick sheet and then trim them to shape. And then all you're going to do is just glue them into your mask form on top of the craft foam. Now here you can see me pretty much having it done, and all I have done here is just take some clear plastic, glue them inside the mask for the eyes, along with like the kitchen gripper sheet, and that just gives you the white shape. And then just paint your mask black and put some white on your teeth. And there you have it. You have a quick Venom mask. This whole project really only took about an hour. And it was a lot of fun, quick and easy. And it actually came out pretty cool. Happy Halloween, everyone. I hope you try this. Thanks for watching.